This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Worthen. Desirable and sought-after water's edge in the riverfront. Corner unit, 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhouse. Dock and ground maintenance, pools, tennis courts, playgrounds, golf course. Beautiful wood cherry lamb floors down, carpet up, new HVAC unit, master bedroom with ensuite bath, great patio area, storage closet, great front porch and walking paths. Located near shopping, entertainment, all bases, and interstates. For more information, review the details below.